Kwaya Kisumu nyakoro mgajuang ateri nyake kaunti no Siaya kama od bura ma kaunti ma Siaya opuodho ji duto manyocha wal ne lemo mag jotend migepe opogore mano karodoko ni nitie moko kuom gima ok ochopo dwaro mar bedo e apisego. Report ma opedhe od bura ma Siaya gi MCA ma Osonga Sylvester Madialo oyangore ni jotend migepe go opuodhe duto katodoko ni nitie moko kuom gima ok onyiso nyalo matayo migepe manyocha ogwelgie. Report no yango ni moko onge kod lony kod somo madwarore matayo apisego. MCA Maimbo Francis Otiato to lero ni gikawo okang' mar puodho jogo duto ni mar gine e ji ma Gavana oyiero kendo nitie geno ne ginyalo tiyo kaka dwarore.
But before you pass the report, when you are talking of 10 years experience or even 5 years of experience, and then I saw people in their 60s who could not really express themselves, then I always say that the years of experience is overrated indeed. So I am even compelled to think that even persons with 1 year experience can therefore serve. Now that the appointing authority, in this case His Excellency the Governor, has done its bit, and as a house we have also looked at the persons that were nominated, I will be supporting this list as it is without any further amendment. But while at it, I would really want to call upon and voice my concern that when we will be looking at the CEOs now, I really want to see the youth of Siaya in this list.
As Kiswahili says, tunataka maisha bora, siyo bora maisha. And for that reason, I find all these nominees unqualified for these jobs, and I beg to oppose.
Whenever we will find any incompetent person, let that person be relieved of his duty immediately to give us way and for Siaya to move on. Otherwise, Mr. Speaker, we congratulate the committee and let's move forward, give the executive what they want.